I recently had this opportunity to help out a police officer. He had this mechanical toy. He got it for something to do with his years of service on the force, right? And his grandchildren are over and they got it down and they're like, ooh, a toy, and they played with it and broke it, right? So he didn't know how to fix it. You know, he's kind of sad about this. And then through a chance encounter and acquaintances, he found me and I was able to fix it for him. So I did it for free. It's like, thank you for your years of the service. There you go, right? But it got me thinking. When somebody has a memento like that, where do they take it to get it fixed? Right? In today's world of consumerism, repair stores aren't lining the streets anymore at all, So I've got a YouTube channel. I repair stuff. I videotape how it's repaired and gets put together and stuff like that. And I figured, you know what I'm gonna do? I'm gonna start the free repair store. So people send me stuff, I repair it, I do a video on it, I send it back to them. If you want a repair done, just look at the description below, follow the directions. I'll select one repair. I want the repairs to mean something to you. I don't want to be fixing your car or your dishwasher or anything like that, right? But some memento, something that is important to grandma, something like that. Send it to me, I'll fix it for free, send it back.